Welcome to Resi-licious recipes. On this channel it's all about baking and creating. Today's recipe I'm making the legendary Russian Medovik honey cake. Legend says a young chef created medovik around 1820 for Empress Elizabeth, wife of Alexander I. This young chef was unaware she actually disliked honey and all things made with it. One bite changed her mind, of course, and the rest is history. Russia is known for the beautiful onion-shaped domes of its cathedrals, stunning world-class literature and grand opera stages. But if you ever sat at the table of a Russian family celebration, you very quickly understand that the real star of the show has been the cake all along. Housewives across Eastern Europe are very proud of it. Each layer is infused with rituals, memories and love. Rich cream, honey and delicate pastry, festive traditions passed from babushkas to young bakers. Soft, thin layers of honey dough alternate with silky cream of sour cream. Over 24 hours the layers melt together into a melt-in-your-mouth cloud of caramelized honey. Doesn't this sound just fantastic? From Russia with love, I present to you how to make the medovik. Our ingredients are 150 grams of honey, can be any type, 200 grams of sugar, a tablespoon of baking soda, a pinch of salt. Later on we're using 3 whole eggs and 500 grams of flour. We're heating up the honey, stirring the sugar, pinch of salt, and a teaspoon of the soda. Pour the hot caramelized honey sugar mixture into your 3 eggs and keep on stirring. Next we pour in the flour and continuously stir while you do this. Bite into 8. And roll out very thin until the dough is kind of 2 millimeters thickness. Bake your layer for 7 to 8 minutes. While it's in the oven, prepare your next layer. Do this 8 times. So layer 1 is ready. Immediately cut out your shape. I'm using a little one. Mine is 180, so it's quite small. Cut it out. Look how beautiful my layers turned out. Now preparing everything for my cream. My layers are ready. Cake knife, we will need to spread the cream. The crumbs are really small, and in goes 70 grams of powdered sugar, 2 sachets of vanilla sugar, 2 sachets of cream thickener. In Germany we call it Sahnesteif. We have 1 tablespoon of honey. We have 300 milliliters of cold whipping cream, and we have 800 grams of cold sour cream. I went to an Eastern European shop specifically for this. It's called Smetana there. It's more thick than the one in the normal shops. This is not a cake, this is a masterpiece. Let's be very naughty and try it. Words are very unnecessary. This cake is very airy, it's fluffy, because we didn't use butter. It's very light. It's a wonderful, wonderful cake. It's actually one of my top favorite cakes ever. And I can highly recommend this recipe. There's many more recipes or variations with caramel, with nuts. Thank you for watching. Thank you for joining me making this masterpiece. And I really hope I inspired you to recreate it or add your own twist to the recipe. And if you enjoy my cakes, please check out my playlist for all cakes. There's plenty more in there. If you're on a diet, you shouldn't have watched this video. Thank you very much for watching. Like and subscribe, and I see you in my next video.